Your HomeLink Universal Transceiver's control buttons are located along the bottom of your rearview mirror. The system can consolidate the functions of various individual handheld transmitters to replace devices that operate garage doors, gates, lights, or security alarms. HomeLink is powered by your INFINITI vehicle's battery and requires no other power source. Remember that you'll need all of your handheld transmitters, such as your garage door opener, to successfully program HomeLink. To get started, clear the HomeLink memory. Press and hold the two outer buttons. When the LED indicator changes from solid to rapidly flashing, release both buttons. Your HomeLink is now ready to be programmed. To begin programming, position the handheld transmitter 1 to 3 inches away from the HomeLink surface. Now, using both hands, simultaneously press and hold both the HomeLink button you want to program and the handheld transmitter button until the indicator light flashes, changing from a slow blink to a rapid blink. When the indicator light flashes rapidly, both buttons may be released. The rapidly flashing light indicates that the device has been successfully programmed. If the indicator lamp lights up red, repeat the programming procedure for the corresponding button on the rear view mirror. When doing so, vary the distance between the handheld transmitter and the rear view mirror. If the garage door system uses a rolling code, you will also have to synchronize the garage door system with the integrated garage door opener in the rear view mirror. To do this, put the ignition in the on position. Leave the vehicle and press this programming button. Get into the vehicle and press the previously programmed button on the HomeLink until the garage door closes. This last step must be performed within 30 seconds of pushing the programming button on the door drive unit. To activate a programmed device, press and hold the programmed HomeLink button. If the indicator light is solid, training is complete, and your device should activate when the HomeLink button is pressed and released. If the indicator light blinks rapidly for 2 seconds and then turns to a solid light, there are additional steps required to program your device. See your owner's manual for more information. If you have any questions or are having difficulty programming your HomeLink buttons, please refer to the HomeLink website at www.homelink.com or call 1-800-355-3515. For further functions and features, download the HomeLink app from the website. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.